Very good evening. A video has surfaced on social media that has taken the nation by storm. In this video, a Jawan is seen addressing army veterans at a seminar. His voice quivers with pain and hurt. He is seen asking aloud why certain people on campuses don't hesitate to shout slogans in favor of terrorists and separatists. He asks, why is it that some people are working for the breakup of the nation? He wants to know why some people want those who brought justice by convicting dreaded terrorist Afzal Guru to be eliminated. He wants these Azadi backers to answer. He pleads with them not to play with the morale of the army. Listen to him. Listen to his appeal this evening.
हम आतंकवाद से लड़ते रहे, देश की सुरक्षा करने के लिए हम माओवाद से लड़ते रहे, नक्सलवाद से लड़ते रहे, लेकिन हमें पता ही नहीं चला कि हमारे लिए, देश के लिए सबसे ज्यादा खतरा उन आतंकवादियों से नहीं, उन नक्सलवादियों से नहीं, हमारे देश के लिए सबसे ज्यादा खतरा उन गद्दारों से है, उन देशद्रोहियों से है, जो भारत मुर्दाबाद के नारे लगाते हैं, जो हमारे देश में रहते हुए भी तिरंगे को जलाते हैं। कोई बोलता है अफजल हम शर्मिंदा है, तेरे कातिल जिंदा है। बुरा इस बात का नहीं लगता दोस्तों, लेकिन बुरा इस बात का लगता है ऐसी बात करने वालों के पीछे हमारे देश में हजारों लाखों लोग खड़े हो जाते हैं, तब बुरा लगता है।
But unfortunately, the Azadi Brigade that reacted with urgency to Gurmehar Kaur's pleas has lashed out at the Jawan, accusing him of doing the centre's bidding. The shocking reaction has prompted the centre to intervene. The most influential mantris of the government like Arun Jaitley, Venkaiah Naidu and Kiren Rijiju have reminded the Azadi League that nationalism isn't a bad word.
See Hyderabad, you see Jadavpur, you see JNU, you see Ramjas College now. What is it Rahul Gandhi has to do with this? What is it Raja has got to do with this? What is Sitaram Yechury has got to do with it? What is Mayawati and others have got to do with it? They make political pilgrimage of every incident and they want to express solidarity without knowing what they are doing.
Nationalism is a good word. ये तो केवल इस देश में है कि राष्ट्रवाद बुरा शब्द है, ये विवाद खड़ा करने की एक प्रयास किया जा रहा है.
There is a absolute freedom of expression in this country. So you can have your own views, but one thing is very important, that you can't make any kind of anti-India speeches, hatred against the nation. These are something which is, unacceptable.
Well, you heard some of those ministers, the tallest in this country. The advice from them is not entirely misplaced. Red lines need to be drawn. And as always, up front, here are the hard facts. This is why the red lines need to be drawn. Hard fact one, the Azadi League in JMU Ranjas raised slogans after Afzal Guru and Yaqub Memons hanging, accusing India's judges of judicial murder. That's right, they said it was judicial murder. Let's look at hard fact two, very important. The Azadi League routinely advocates for the secession of Jammu and Kashmir and Maoist-marred Bastar region. Extra constitutional solutions is what they advocate. Hard fact three, the head of the Afzal League, Umar Khalid, belonged to the DSU that was declared the political front of the ultra-left CPI Marxist that was declared a terror organization. Not just by the NDA, but also the UPA. And that's really a fact. Four hard facts that explain why this message needs to go out. The fact that these individuals can actually march and raise slogans that underscore their views is an indication. Yes, it's an indication, and let me be honest about this, that free speech is alive in India. These individuals in any other country would perhaps today be facing dire action under the law. And we say this with utmost responsibility. My big question tonight, therefore, is that for some of these individuals, is nationalism a bad word?